Hey y'all, Alyse here from Playing with Alyse. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the little bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And now that we're past the business part of things, let's get into this plan with me. I'm planning for Halloween week, the week of October 28th through November 3rd. Just pull this out of the way. And before we do start with the Halloween week, I did want to show my cute spread from last week because I love it so much. And so this is what it looks like. I love it. This is the farmhouse sticker kit from Sticky Situations Co. And if you have not shopped with her before, definitely check her out. She has really pretty kits, all of this quality level. I highly recommend it. And this little clip that I'm using to hold this is part of our swag that we got at the Planning a Better Me retreat. And this is from the Scarlet Lime Planner Society. And I love this. It came with two other pens. One said LPS Girl and the other one said what? Well, I've had a whole brain fart. I can't remember what the other one said, but it's three of them. And I just have this usually on the front of my planner like this, just to have a little cuteness on the front. But that's enough of the unimportant stuff. Let's get to planning. It's what you came here for. And I'm probably gonna do voiceover of this because it takes me so long. So we're gonna probably have to speed through some things. But before I do any of that, I wanna show you the kit that I'm using today. It is from the Sticker Addict shop. They have an Instagram and Etsy account, both with the same name, the Sticker Addict shop, all together. And these stickers are the bomb. I showed these in my stories when I got them, in my Happy Mail stories. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, definitely head over and follow me on there so that you can see all these goodies as soon as I get them. So here is the header and the days of the week and all of that good stuff. I'm just taking you through all of the sheets before we start laying them down. And this came with another page, I think of a full page of checklists, well checkbox pages, kind of like this, but the full sheet to fill up a whole box. But I don't end up actually using those for real, so I didn't get it. And then this is the last, the decorative boxes, my favorite page. These are so cute. But let's stop ogling and start placing. So without further ado, let's get to planning. Alrighty, so that is about it for me. Now that we basically have 0 light left and I've run out of things to place. Well, I haven't run out. I have a lot of stickers left, but I like to have some white space, so this is good for me. And I do have stuff that I'm actually writing on here, and I like to write on the white space, so this is a good amount left to write in what I need to for the week. And if you do want to see what my after the pen looks like, definitely again check me out on Instagram, same name, Playing with Alyse. And that is going to be all from me on this video. Happy Halloween. I hope y'all enjoy it if you celebrate, and if not, enjoy the rest of your week also. That's going to be it. I'll see y'all on my next video. Bye y'all.